Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
Yeah, audio sync, I literally don't know what's happening. So I completely don't fucking care. Oh yeah, Ninja Milk. Sorry, let's fucking recap on Ninja Milk. Also, the True Hat, Wall, thank you for the Prime sub and a resub. Hi Michael, hope you're doing well. All the content, YouTube videos, Jeep up the work. Thanks man, too much positivity on the channel is kind of cringe, but Lurky Boy, Underboob, thank you for the resubs. You say you learned to code on your own without the help of university. How did you go about finding work without official credentials like a degree? Would you mind sharing roughly the path you took after you started? Take as many internships as you can. People like free work, but before that, teach yourself online. And I think companies more and more like to see personal projects. So just building like any kind of thing. I remember walking into a job interview with Raytheon, the people who do the like Javelin missile and shit. And they mentioned they work in simulations. And I just for fun had like brought my laptop and just happened to have like built an N-body simulation. So it's like simulates gravity's effect of objects on other objects. And they were, and like, as I said, they worked in simulations, I just pull out this simulation. And it's like, it's such a, like, doing personal projects helps not only you, but it helps employers to see specifically like what your skill set is and that you're motivated to do your own shit. And I said no to the Raytheon job. I got an offer to like start out as like an intern and then get started on their job train. But it was in, fuck, where was it? Somewhere in Arizona. One of the like cities that isn't Phoenix, which is the worst city in the entire fucking world. Tucson. Fuck no, I don't want to live in Arizona. Disgusting. Fuck no. Let me do my autofocus. You know what? Okay. Move that there. Okay. Hello? Are you guys okay? Hello? What's happening? Ah, you guys are silly. Nothing's happening. You guys are pulling a fast one on me. Okay. All right. This is like this shoots shitty little yellow balls. It's the Nerf, I think, N-Strike series or some shit. I don't actually know. I mean, it's kind of cool. Oh shit. Whatever. Kind of cool, you know. Shit's full. How is that fucking possible? Bro, that must have hit the camera like right between the eyes. All right, that was a fucking headshot with the Vandal from across the map. Anyway, kind of slow shooting, not super epic. Yeah, so that's the idea, is that we shoot it out of this using this to provide compressed air via the CO2 thingies, canisters, which you should not play with ever, by the way. I just want to put that out there. They're dangerous. Yeah, okay. Don't do it. Also, I don't even think you can buy these valves in the United States, but also still don't do it like that. So you could just fucking... you cannot blow it out with your mouth. Maybe an air compressor. Like an air compressor? Okay, maybe that. Yeah! Okay, yeah. Oh, holy shit, okay. Wow, that does a great fucking, holy shit. Dude, you can just cut copper pipe. That's fucking badass, dude. God damn, that's so easy as shit, too. Fuck. Guys, you know you can just cut copper pipe? That's sick. Let me get the, I do like not having my fingers sliced open, so... Ow, fuck, my nut hurts. No more grippable wood, whatever. This is good enough, I don't give a shit. Yeah, that's it. Ow, fuck. Yep. Don't worry, I am a trained professional. Now, I'm gonna do a safety maneuver called crawling underneath the table like a little bitch. Okay, safety maneuver's done. All right, shoot. I like doing this with the air compressor. Sure beats blowing on it. Okay. Yeah, way better. Okay. Just got the thing. Maybe from like over here. Fuck, I missed. One more. God, fuck! God damn it! It's a fucking out of juice already. God, this thing kind of sucked ass. And it's out. Okay. So this time. Woo! And it's just that easy. It's just that easy. I want to keep it as, you know, it's safe, right? It's safe right now. I mean, what's the worst it does? It shoots a little like, it shoots, at the end of the day, it's shooting like little foam balls, so no one's mad or no one's getting hurt. So Twitch doesn't get angry at me. That was a pretty productive night. This is cool looking, not very dangerous and not very effective, but it's kind of cool. I'm down later. We could make like a double barrel of that. Kind of cool, kind of sick. Maybe make it look a little cooler, right? Make it brake loaded or breech loaded or whatever the fuck you call it. Yeah, if you guys want to see that, I'm down to do that. I have a bunch of CO2 cartridges. I ordered like 100 because I thought like I'd have to go through way more testing for the baby thing, but I didn't. So here we are, which is really nice. So yeah, here we go. Yeah. What else? I don't know what else I'm gonna make besides like the double barrel thing. That sounds sick.